We're on Unit 8, Lesson 3, Number 2, and Number 2 says quadrilateral hope is a parallelogram. Is hope also a rectangle? Justify your answers. So if hope is a parallelogram, then I would know that opposite sides were parallel, and to verify that I could find the slopes of each side and show that they have the same slope. But what I want to do is look to see, is it a rectangle? And if HOPE is a rectangle, then there should be right angles at each corner. And so I'm going to try to verify that there are right angles at really any one of these corners, because if there was a right angle, let's say at H, then the opposite angle would also need to be a right angle. And the consecutive angles are supplementary, so they would be right angles. So I really just need to verify that there's one right angle. To do that, I want to show that two consecutive sides have negative reciprocal slopes. So I'm going to calculate the slope of HO. So to find the slope of HO, I'm just going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 2. So my slope is 5 over 2. Then I'm going to find the slope of a consecutive side like HE, and when I find the slope of HE, I'm going to do rise over run, which means I'm going down first, and E went a little bit off my graph, but I know that's 1 unit lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, actually 2 units lower than that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 units down, which means negative 4. And all the way over to E, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So negative 4 over 10, which reduces to negative 2 over 5. And so when you compare these two slopes, I'm looking at this slope and this slope, I see that they are negative reciprocals of each other. And so you're going to write a little conclusion, and your first conclusion is going to be what this tells me about lines HO and HE. So the 3 little dots mean therefore HO is perpendicular to HE because they have negative reciprocal slopes. So they have negative reciprocal slopes. Okay, and then you're going to write another conclusion, which is what you're trying to prove or what you just showed, and you showed hope as a rectangle. So you're going to write hope as a rectangle and then why you know it's a rectangle, which is because it has a right angle. So you can finish that up.